Hi, hello, welcome back, my YouTube fellow friends. So today I have bring one more video for you guys. So the video is all about angel rings for the KTM RC 200. I have before only have installed it, but whenever I go for some service station and whenever I go out in the mall, people ask how did you install these angel rings. So for whoever wants to install these angel rings, I have this installation video so you guys can watch it fully and you guys get to know how to install, where to put to the connections, and all this I'll be telling in this video. Let's go and install the angel ring light. So this is the connector, and these are the three bolts where you're gonna open that DRL. This is the LED ring light which comes in this pack. Its size is 80 mm. You can find 60 mm size also, which fits perfectly on RC200 headlight. I have used 80 mm because I wanted a bigger ring. You have to cut 3 mm tape and stick it on the back side, or you can use hot glue gun also. After both of the rings is fitted, this is how it looks. I have used some electrical tape to hold on even more much betterly. So both of the two wires are connected and run behind those headlamps. This is where I have placed the capacitor under there. You have to route those electrical wire and zip tie properly so that it looks perfect. Now we have to remove those connectors. This is how we're gonna remove. You have to use the screwdriver to push that latch to open that connector. A bit tough because I was handling the camera too. It's a bit tough to remove. So this is where I have placed this is how I have connected those two positive and negative side of the ring light. This red one goes under that brown color connector, and the black one goes to that yellow and black shaded wire. So there is no cutting of wire, there is no issue of warranty. It's a little bit easy. You have to push that. This is how it looks. Now let me give you the close-up view of the wire, how I have fitted. So one more time I'll tell you guys, you have to connect the negative part to the black and yellow strip, and the red one will go near that brown color wire. This is the easiest way to connect it without zero cut. And you have to connect it back properly and zip tie it so the wire doesn't move. So I hope you guys got to know how to install this angel ring. It looks so beautiful, it's eye-catchy. So thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe and share with someone who needs this kind of content so they can do this kind of DIY with their bike. So I will join you with one more video. Until bye bye. Thank you so much. Namaskara.